So there is missing one last point, because I told you rein, raus, drinnen, draußen, all this, you have to finish the sentence. Point, you cannot add. So what if you want to say it's on the table, under the table? So if you want to add where exactly something is, then you use for, always have to do with inside, it's in. Please do not forget, in normally you have to use an article. Where exactly we will ignore that, because for us it's only important the preposition, huh? So with movement, rein, without any movement, drinnen. But if you want to say it's inside the house or inside the box, then you have to use the preposition in, not rein or drinnen. And then if you're interested which article you have to use and how it is correctly then the whole sentence, just click onto the video where I explain the thing with preposition and article. So, aber, so this is in, auf, unter. You remember unter, if you hear a, it's written with er. So, if you say in die Küche, okay, oder unter das Auto, oder auf dem Stuhl, auf dem Tisch. So with in, auf, unter, you have to add where exactly. And now you're asking yourself, why? What is with outside? Well, mostly you do, because it's a little bit complicated in German, we do not use so often außerhalb von, which is the official outside from somewhere. Außerhalb von oder außerhalb des with the genitive. You can ignore it because often you say it's in der Box or this is nicht in der Box. But just to finish, it's outside. If you want to add something, it's außerhalb von der Stadt, outside of the city. Okay, so dann schauen wir nochmal the three concepts of everything which is up, below. You have oben, rauf or auf. Can you repeat? Without any movement? With movement? And if you want to add, where exactly? Dann das nächste. Unten, runter, unter. Ja. Könnt ihr wiederholen? Can you repeat? Without movement, ohne Bewegung. Mit Bewegung, with movement. And if you want to add, where? And the last one with inside. Drinnen, rein, in. So, without movement, with movement, and if you want to add. And the last one with outside, so draußen, raus, and the other thing we ignore it, okay? So, without movement, and with movement. Okay. Ja, that's it. Das war's. ich bin jetzt drinnen im Wohnzimmer und die Sonne scheint und deswegen gehe ich raus. Und dann mache ich ein Meeting draußen. Ja, aber nicht mit Alkohol, sonst bin ich am Ende unter dem Tisch, under the table. Nein, nein, ich bleibe auf dem Stuhl. That's the way how you use it. Okay, dann viel Spaß. Ich freue mich über Feedbacks, wenn ihr noch Fragen habt, immer. Oder natürlich, ihr bucht eine kleine Skype-Stunde mit mir. Und dann kann ich euch noch viele andere Dinge erzählen. Or you're gonna book a Skype lesson with me and I can tell you a lot of more things. Ciao, ciao. Bis zum nächsten Mal.